If you've been trying to get started with email marketing, but every platform you've looked at feels overwhelming, you're not alone. You just want to send emails to your audience, not spend an entire weekend learning complicated automations, CRMs, and dozens of features you'll probably never use. So the question is, what's the best email marketing platform for beginners? In this video, we are taking an honest look at Email Octopus to see if it's actually the easiest way to get started with email marketing in 2026. We will cover what it does well, where it falls short, who it's really built for, and whether it's worth using over bigger names like Mailchimp or other all-in-one platforms. And before we jump in, if you decide you want to try Email Octopus after watching, you will find the link in both the description and the pinned comment below. The great part is that you can get started completely free, right? No credit card required. So you can test everything yourself before spending a single dollar. Now, here's the problem, right? Here's the problem most beginners run into. You hear that building an email list is one of the smartest things you can do for your business. So you sign up for one of the big email marketing platforms, the dashboard opens, and you suddenly, bam, you're looking at landing pages, CRMs, SMS campaigns, advanced automation builders, customer journeys, sales pipelines, integrations, reports, and dozens of settings hidden inside other settings. Meanwhile, all you wanted to do was write an email and send it to a few hundred subscribers, right? Then comes the pricing. Many platforms expect you to start paying before your email list is even making you money. You're paying for features you don't understand and probably won't use for months. It's easy to become overwhelmed before you've even sent your first campaign. That's exactly the problem Email Octopus was designed to solve. Instead of trying to become an all-in-one business platform, it focuses almost entirely on email marketing. Fewer menus, less complexity, cleaner interface, and pricing that much friendlier for someone who's just getting started. And so what can you actually do with it? The first thing is surprisingly important. You can send your first email today, not after watching hours of tutorials, not after building complicated workflows. Today, you simply create an account, choose one of the available template, right? Or start with a blank email, write your message, preview it, and hit send. Most beginners can have their first campaign ready in around 10 minutes, right? That first campaign is a huge milestone because it turns email marketing from something you've been planning into something you're actually doing. So the second advantage is the free plan. As we said, Email Octopus lets you manage up to 2,500 subscribers and send up to 10,000 emails every month without paying anything. There is no credit card required to start. And unlike many free trials, this isn't something that expires after a couple of weeks. Many creators and small businesses run their newsletters on the free plan for months while growing their audience. That means you can validate your business, grow your subscribers, and learn email marketing before paying for a premium subscription. That's exactly how beginner software should work. The third feature is automation, right? Even though Email Octopus keeps things simple, you can still create automated email sequences. For example, someone joins your mailing list. They instantly receive a welcome email. The next day, they receive another helpful email. A few days later, they receive another one. You set everything up once and it keeps working automatically while you focus on creating content or running your business. For most beginners, that's all the automation they'll need for quite a while. Another area where Email Octopus surprises people is customer support. One of the most common compliments from users is how quickly the support team responds. Even free users receive genuine help from real people. When you're learning something new, having responsive support can save hours I mean, I'm talking hours of frustration, right? Instead of getting stuck and giving up, you can solve problem and keep moving forward. Now let's talk about who this platform is actually for, right? If you're starting your first newsletter, launching your first online business, growing a blog, building a personal brand, selling digital products, or simply collecting email subscribers, Email Octopus makes a lot of sense. It's designed for people who want email marketing without paying for a complete marketing ecosystem. It also works well for freelancers, right? And small agencies managing simple newsletters for clients. You can get clients running quickly without adding unnecessary complexity or cost. But if you need advanced CRM features, highly complex automations, SMS marketing, and or multi-channel sales funnels, you'll probably outgrow Email Octopus eventually. And that's perfectly okay because that's not what it's trying to be, right? What really makes Email Octopus different is its philosophy. Most email marketing platforms started simple. Then over the years, they added landing page builders, CRM systems, SMS marketing, websites, sales funnels, AI features, appointment schedulers, and dozens of other tools. Every new feature made the software more complicated and usually more expensive. Email Octopus chose a different path. It focuses on doing email marketing well, it keeps the interface clean, it keeps pricing affordable, and it doesn't try to convince you that you need 50 different features just because they're available. For beginners, that's actually a huge advantage. Learning email marketing is already challenging enough. The software shouldn't make it harder. So let's quickly recap. With Email Octopus, you can launch your first email campaign in minutes, right? You can grow your audience using genuinely useful free plan with no credit card required, right? And you can automate welcome emails and simple email sequences without learning complicated workflows. You get fast, friendly customer support, right? Whenever you need help. And perhaps most importantly, you are using a platform that's intentionally simple instead of overwhelmingly complicated. So, is Email Octopus the best email marketing platform for beginners? For many people, I'd say yes, especially if your goal is simply to build an email list, send newsletters, and learn email marketing without spending a fortune or getting buried under features you will never use. If that sounds like what you're looking for, you'll find the Email Octopus link in both the description and the pinned comment below. You can create your free account in just few minutes with no credit card required. Set up your first campaign, send yourself a test email, and see just how simple email marketing can actually be. If you've been putting email marketing off because every platform looked too complicated, this is probably the easiest place to start, right? Start free, learn the basics, right? And grow your list. Then upgrade only when your business is ready to scale. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest software reviews and tutorials designed to help you build your business without wasting money on tools you don't actually need. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.